In this video, I show you how to fix cannot install WhatsApp Messenger. Try again, and if it does not work, see common way to fix this problem or solving this problem. Go to Play Store, tap on your profile icon, tap on Settings, tap on Network Preference, tap on App Download Preference, make it over any network, and tap on OK. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search for Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store. Tap on Force Stop. Tap on OK. Tap on Storage and Cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now search again Play Service. Tap on Google Play Service. Tap on Storage and Cache. Clear cache only. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Play Store. Now search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Tap on Install. Now I hope that this method fix cannot install WhatsApp Messenger from Play Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.